Făcut, revii, la fel faci pe partea cealaltă, da? Hai să vedem. 1, revii, 2 și 3, bun, 4, ține brațul drept, 5, hai Roxana, 6, ai o problemă.
One at court. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Here, I'm sorry. Grab his hand, grab. Sorry. Oh, jeez.
What?
Are you okay? Hang on.
What's wrong with you, man?
Sorry.
Holy.
Ed and Ann, we'll send it back to you.
What are you doing?
We'll send it back to you.
What are you doing here?
Sorry about that.
Show.
Sorry about that. Sorry
Come
about
on.
that. Are you okay? Sorry about that.
No, I'm not okay.
Sorry.
Are my watches, Dad?
Sorry about that.
I've been trying to clean this boat here. There's a boat show going on here. I don't know what you're doing here, but
How about if we take you up to the office? I'll get you some dry clothes.
Sorry about that.
You okay?
Sorry about that.
You didn't hit anything, did you? I mean,
no, I'm okay. I don't know. No, just cold.
Back to you.
Stuff.
It's a great birthday present. I'm sure he's very grateful.
Far so good there. Here's the big picture. We've all had the hiccups before, right? Cypress to Copperfield as well. 5:36. Scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms during the overnight. Compared to heavy rain. Record low temperatures. Excuse me.
Yeah.
You got a good cure for the water. Yeah, we'll try that.
Yeah, that's the other one.
Oh, they left me. Thank you. I appreciate it.
The Brewers came up with a handful of great.
Poor guy.
I know, I feel bad, but it's just the banana. It's such a sad sight. You know, he's walking with a stuffed banana.
It's a sad sight, all right. Albert, what's the weather going to be?
From the community of Mammoth have been Ow. Fuck. Holy fucking shit. Fuck you, bug. Well, fuck that asshole. And we're...
I knew something was wrong when a little pretty white girl ran into a black man's arms. Something is wrong here. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway.
Charles, thank you very much.
Dead giveaway.
Thank you very much for your time. And
either she homeless or she got problems. That's the only reason why she run to a black man.
Charles, thank you for being